How to export 4K video in CapCut on iPhone. It's a pretty simple and a quick process, so without wasting any of the time, let's move into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app CapCut. If not, head over to your App Store and then update it. Once you have the latest version, simply open the app. Enter a login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in here, what you want to do is tap on New Project. It will open up your gallery. From your gallery, select any of the video or the photo that you would like to edit. So this is one of the video that I would like to edit. All you want to do is click on it and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Once the video has been uploaded here, you can edit this video with all the features available in the CapCut app. Once the edit has been completed, now you have to tap on 1080p at the very top. This interface will pop up on your screen. In here, you can see the category where it says resolution. You have to slide this button to 2K or 4K. Once done, you have to tap on export at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the video will start to export. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. And there you go, the video has been exported successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can export 4K video in CapCut on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.